Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. Today, we're talking AI poisoning. So imagine this. What if you could teach an AI guard dog that a wolf is a sheep? And no, this isn't science fiction. This is a real attack that corrupts an AI from the inside. See, an AI learns kind of like a little kid. It just studies millions of correctly labeled examples. But that learning process is surprisingly fragile. It can be sabotaged by something called label flipping. So normally, the AI sees this and thinks, sheepdog, a protector. Easy enough, right? But here comes the poison. The label still says sheepdog, but the picture is secretly swapped for a wolf. This is what's called boundaries sabotage. That clear line between safe and dangerous, it's now completely broken. And this kind of corrupted thinking, well, it has some seriously scary real-world consequences. And the scariest part? It is shockingly easy to pull off. Just remember this number. Yep, it takes only 250 poisoned examples to create a huge, dangerous blind spot in a massive AI. So, how do we fight back? We have to protect the AI's library with 3 critical steps. First, we need what are basically digital librarians running tough checks on everything the AI studies. Next, smart algorithms hunt for those subtle patterns, the hidden attacks a human would probably miss. And this is a crucial defense because we're seeing a fundamental shift in cyber attacks. It's a move from malware as code to malware as logic. They're not just breaking code, they're corrupting how the AI thinks. This completely changes the game, and it leaves us with a really critical question for our future. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.